Good evening to all of you all. बरें दिसलें सगळे तुम्ही हांगा आहा एंड आमचो जस्टीस फॉर रामा तुम्ही जाणून सगळे रामान स्टेटमेंट केल्या कितें कितें केलें हांव परवतचो एंड आमचो लोकल MLA मिस्टर कौंटो ताचें नांव आयलां हांगा इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनान. आतां हांव परवतचें सांगता तुमकां ती आमची दादागिरी गुंडागिरी चड जाल्या कित्याक हांवूय एक विक्टीम आसलो फॉर हिल कटिंग इश्यू सुकूर आनी म्हज्यो केसी अजुनूय त्यो चालू आहा एंड थी म्हाका तांच्यांनी पुलीस स्टेशनार हांव कंप्लेन करूंक गेलो तेन्ना हांवें बंद उडयलें काम ते पुलीस गेले चेडू कोण आसले ते ड्युटीचेर आनी ताणें काम बंद उडयलें आनी हांव म्हजी कंप्लेन बरयता तें जालें दनपारचें 1 सुमार आफ्टर 10:30 11 सुमार हांवें ऑब्जेक्शन करून काम बंद उडयलें आनी दनपारां 2:30 सुमार तांच्यांनी म्हजेर फॉल्स कंप्लेनी घातली आनी म्हाका पुलिशेन आपयलो. हांव थंय बसलो 2 वरां हांव कंप्लेन बरयता आनी दितां आनी हांव 6:30 घरा गेलो. ओके घरा वेचे उपरांत 150 लोक आयलो कोणे पुलीस स्टेशनार म्हाका अरेस्ट करपाक. आतां हें कोणाचें काम आमच्या MLAचें काम. ओके फॉल्स कंप्लेनी घाल्यो म्हज्यो म्हाका ट्राय केलो अरेस्ट करपून जालें ना. हांव घरा गेलो म्हाका भावान सांगलें म्हणजे तूं घरा वच वॉट एवर एंड डोंट गो बॅक टू द पुलीस स्टेशन. हांव गेलो ना आनी मागीर एंटिसिपेटरी बेल घेवची पडली म्हाका ती केस अजुनूय चालू आहा. आनी तेन्ना तो सरपंच आसलो एकलो नांव काडटा हांव संदीप आजरकार. ओके तो सरपंच आसलो आनी MLA आमचो मिस्टर कौंटो रोहन गांवटे. सो दिस इज द वे दे यूज प्रेशर दे प्रेशराइज द पुलीस. I asked the police inspector, Baba, you do your justice, you do your job. He's saying, see, I have to listen to the minister. Okay, your brother maybe MLA that time, but for me, minister is my boss. I have to listen. So this is the nexus between the police and our politicians. You know, they give in to the politician and the ruling. So this is not right, and there's no justice here. So second thing was, आमचे बरोबरी illegal हे चलता, कितें म्हणजे field filling चलता. आणि आमचा स्वेज लेटस्ट आमचे अबाउट दिसाक 10-15 टँकर स्वेजीचे ते सोडटाले दोंगरा सोडटाले ते आमी आतां बंद केले. आमच्या नेबरान कंप्लेन करून सगळे डिपार्टमेंटाक हाडले आनी ते बंद करून MLA आयलो थंय दाखोवपाक आपूण कित्यानूच ना. आतां हो MLA रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आसलो सम इयर्स बॅक इन द प्रिवियस गव्हर्मेंट. तेन्ना तांणी ती कोमदीदाद प्रॉपर्टी कोमदीदाद ऑफ सेरुला इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉपर्टी इन पोरुरी. ताणे त्यो 2 व्हडल्यो प्रॉपर्टी 35-40,000 स्क्वेअर मिटर्स रिवर्ट केल्यो बॅक टू द कोमदीदाद ऑफ सेरुला. आतां वेन यू रिवर्ट बॅक यू शुड टेक पोजेशन. बट हाऊ इज दॅट दिस स्वेज डंपिंग ऑफ स्वेज वॉज हॅपनिंग. इट जस्ट स्टॉप्ड अबाउट अ मंथ बॅक यू नो. सो दिस इज हाऊ आवर पॉलिटिशियन्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड इन ऑल द इलिगॅलिटीज. वाय? It is for gratification, easy, because the sarpanch, panch, everyone is involved, and justice will never come because ultimately they control the government machinery. So anything happens, the minister or the MLA tells the police or whichever department not to act, because I am fighting many cases and they are going on. Justice will come. I trust in God. Ultimately, God gives justice, and in Rama's case, very dear to me, no doubt. I know him from 2015 when we worked together. One time in Aam Aadmi Party, of course, I resigned immediately. I didn't like the Delhi wala scene here, and I never got involved with anyone. I did contest independently, but even when my brother was telling me to take a ticket, I said no, because I don't understand politics. I have to learn what is politics, and then only I will come out. So I've been doing my activism and exposing. You know, I got many 3-4 cases going on, and of course, justice is going to come. And I've told Serula people, I'm going to put them in jail. Because Serula is the biggest comunidad in Porvorim, consisting of 3 villages. Pennan the France, Salvador do Mundo, and Amche Sukur. Now, Salvador do Mundo, to Vilas Meter activist, taka zone udelo. Okay, this was some years back, 4-5 years back. Ajuni justice meolina. So this is happening, which is very, very bad. And Raman statement dila to, tumi sagle janon. He'll never retract on his statement. Whatever he has said, and it is with evidence, which, you know, we can see it and it will happen. So I ask the good Lord to give justice to Rama, and all of us people, Goans, we have to get united. We have to come out on the streets and we have to show this government that they are not fit to rulers. And the CM, if he can't do his job, he should step aside, give his own portfolio, take it out, because there's a case in the Supreme Court also where the police should be an autonomous body. There should not be political interference, and no minister should control the police department. That matters in Supreme Court, no doubt. So CM should step aside and give that home portfolio to any good minister like Ravi Naik, who did a good job against the Gundas. He cleared the Gundas some years back, if I remember. All Rudolph and all, whoever were there then, they were put in their place. and he should give justice to Rama. So I demand, and we should all demand justice for Rama, because justice delayed is justice denied. And that can't happen, right? Do you all agree with me? Yes. Justice delayed is justice denied. So Rama needs his justice and he should get it. And I pray to God Almighty and all of us Goans to be united and teach them a lesson in 2027. Because according to me, something good is happening at the center and things are going to change. Thank you. Good night. God bless.